Keep going backwards a little more, right? There you go. Give a little bump. There you go. Go. Turn to the left. Keep going. Hard. Go. Hit it. Gas. Go. 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 Keep going. Go. Go. Right straight ahead. Straight. Turn right over here. Go. Go. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Go. 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 Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Right there. Go. Turn my way and back up. There. You need a little bit more bump on it. Just a little more bump. Keep going. A little bit back. A little more. 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 Yep. No, you need to go a little more back. You're good. You just see this wheel's not spinning right here as you're coming up. So if you give it just back up just about a foot more.
I still want my front tire to
No, that'll give you the bounce up over the tire. Right there. There you go. Go.
What I bash bumper on there? I didn't think they hit anything.